Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a hilarious showdown between two products that claim to keep your shaver clean and fresh. On the left, we have the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4. And on the right, we have its rival, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR. Let's dive into the battle of the clean shavers. Product A comes in at a cool $23, while Product B thinks it's worth a bit more, with a price tag of $32. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd rather save a few bucks and still have a clean shaver. Point goes to Product A. Both products claim to provide optimal hygiene with their alcohol-based cleaning solution. However, Product A takes it up a notch by giving us a lemon fresh formula. Lemon fresh? Now that's taking hygiene to a whole new level. Point goes to Product A for its refreshing scent. Both products promise to clean and lubricate your shaver for its best performance. But hey, Product A uses high-energy lubricants. I don't know about you, but I want my shaver to have all the energy it needs for a smooth shave. Point goes to Product A for its high-energy vibes. Product A suggests replacing the refill cartridges every 2 months to experience a shaver like new every day. Product B agrees with this timeline, but hey, they're both Braun, so it's not surprising. However, Product A gets a point for being a bit more specific about the freshness factor. Gotta love that attention to detail. Both products claim to work with any Clean&Charge unit, giving you a fresh, clean, and hygienic shave every day. Well, that's great news for all the Braun users out there. It's a tie for this one, folks. After a hilarious battle of the clean shavers, Product A takes the lead with its lower price, refreshing scent, high-energy lubricants, and attention to freshness. But hey, both products are pretty awesome, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. And there you have it, folks. After a hilarious battle of the clean shavers, Product A takes the lead with its lower price, refreshing scent, high-energy lubricants, and attention to freshness. But hey, both products are pretty awesome, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more showdowns on Buy Smart. Which product do you prefer and why? Let us know in the comments below. Product links are available in the description.